Welcome to our signature pad for check-in demonstration video. My name is Brandy Whitaker and I am the General Manager of Innsoft Incorporated. This video will provide a brief demonstration of the signature pad. For more detailed information about the features, options, and settings available, please give Innsoft a call at 1-800-950-8995 or visit us online at www.innsoft.com. All software for the signature pad is developed, maintained, and supported by Innsoft. The signature pad can only be purchased directly from Innsoft, and they have been developed solely for use with the CheckIn property management system. The signature pad for CheckIn is fast and simple to use. It can capture signatures in several different areas of CheckIn, including on the folio, on check-in or checkout receipts, and on shift reports. It can also be integrated with your credit card processing interface to capture signatures on credit card receipts. Additional areas where the signature pad can be used include advanced deposits and accounts receivable. The signature pad offers many benefits. Because it electronically stores customer and employee signatures, you can opt to go green by saving documents to your computer instead of printing them. The signature pad can help your property go paperless when used in conjunction with the credit card processing interface for check-in. This can potentially save your property thousands per year in printing and storage costs. With a signature pad and credit card processing, you will have easy access to signed guest receipts and a higher level of information security should you choose not to print and store signed paper records. It is a compact size, fits on almost any front desk, and is backlit, which makes it easy to read. Signed documents can be printed from any computer running check-in, and there are options to customize text for guest and credit card agreements. Purchase of the signature pad includes the device, USB cable, all signature software interfaces for check-in, setup and training. An active service contract for check-in is required to purchase any hardware or software options, including the signature pad. During this video, I will run through two scenarios. The first will demonstrate how to electronically capture a guest signature on a folio. The second scenario will demonstrate how to capture a signature when processing a credit card sale. For information about how to use the signature pad in other areas of check-in that are not covered in this video, please give Innsoft a call. From the main menu, click on Guest Check-in. For this scenario, the guest has a reservation, so we will choose Yes. We will choose our guest and move through the guest screen, which contains all of their information from the reservation. They placed an advance deposit for the room, leaving a zero balance, so we will continue. Check-in will automatically prompt the guest for a signature because we have the signature pad set up to require a guest signature during check-in. You can configure up to 6 optional, customized agreements that the guest will need to read and click through prior to signing the folio. Both the guest and the clerk will be able to see the agreements and the signature. Now that the guest has clicked through the agreements and signed, you can either print or email a copy of the folio. If you prefer to go paperless, we recommend emailing a copy of the folio to the guest. Because the folio was signed, check-in will automatically save the document so that it may be accessed in future if needed. Signed documents are included in both manual and automatic backups. There are options you can control for the length of time signed documents are saved. Please give us a call for assistance with setup of these and other options. For the next scenario, we will demonstrate how to capture a signature for a credit card sale. This option requires purchase of the credit card processing interface for check-in. If your property already uses check-in to process credit cards, the signature pad will integrate seamlessly with your processing interface. Back at the main menu of check-in, we will select Guest Screen. Choose our guest and click Cash Register. In this case, we will process a credit card sale. However, you can also capture a signature when authorizing a card. Type in the amount to be charged and select the payment type. We will now click Continue. We will receive an approval code once the transaction has been processed. We will then click OK, and the customer will automatically be prompted for a signature. You can configure one or two optional customized credit card agreements the customer will need to read and click through prior to signing the credit card receipt. Again, both the guest and clerk will be able to see the agreements and signature. Now that the customer is signed, you can either print or email a copy of the credit card receipt. If you prefer to go paperless, we recommend emailing a copy of the receipt to the customer. Again, signed documents are included in both manual and automatic backups. With the signature pad, you can access signed documents in several ways. To view the signed folio from our first scenario, click on Guest Screen and choose the guest. You will now see a picture of a quill in the bottom left corner. Click on the quill to bring up a list of signed documents associated with this guest stay. You can click View to bring up the document. You can also view signed documents by going to Reports, Guest Tracking menu, and Signed Documents. Choose your date range and your filters, and click Search. This is the signed folio from our first guest. If you would like to view the agreements with the signed document, click this option and click View. You will see on page 1 all the agreements, and on page 2 the signed folio. This completes our signature pad for CheckIn demonstration video. There are many options and features of the signature pad not covered here, so please give us a call at 1-800-950-8995 if you have any questions. You can also visit us online at www.innsoft.com. Our full price list is located on our website along with a lot of great information. Thank you for choosing Innsoft.